Hello viewers, welcome to your application. Today I will show you how can you create this premium class pricing table design by using Adobe Photoshop. Before starting this tutorial, if you are new in my channel, please click on the subscribe button to get new updates. And if you want to buy this template, please go through this link. I will attach this link on the video description. So let's start the tutorial. So firstly we open Adobe Photoshop, then create a new document. So go to file, then click on new. The new document width will be 1900 and the height will be 1100, resolution 72 pixel, and the color mode will be the RGB color. Then click on create. Now we will create a rectangle. So the rectangle tool. Then create a rectangle. We will reduce the rectangle size from the top. So press Ctrl T on the keyboard. Then reduce it. Now I will change this background color from white to gray. So click on the log icon, then double click on this layer. You will check on the color overlay. Then change the color to gray. Then click on OK. Then we will lock this layer again. Now we will change this rectangle color to full white. Okay. Now we will choose the type tool to add a text. The text will be the package name. We should increase the size a little bit. Okay. We will move this text to the down section. You should increase the font size again. Okay. We should reduce the space to 0. Okay, now it is perfect. Now we'll duplicate this text layer again. For duplicating, press Ctrl J on the keyboard. You will see a duplicate copy of this layer. Now we will move this. Press the down arrow key on the keyboard. It will automatically move this the down section and change the text to sample text. Okay, now we'll reduce the text size. So select this text, press Ctrl A, then shows 16 point. Okay, perfect. Now we will create a custom shape. So choose the ellipse tool, then create a ellipse. Now choose the pen tool. Double click on this layer thumbnail to change the color. Okay, perfect. We have just created the custom shape. Now we will merge these two shapes. So select these two shapes by pressing Ctrl and hold these two layers. Then click on layer, combine shapes, unit shapes. Okay, we have merged these two shapes into one. Now we'll change this shape color to a new gradient color. So double click on this ellipse layer, then show the gradient overlay. We have already created a custom gradient. The gradient color code will be E7AE25 and the last color code will be F3733B and the middle color code will be F4832F. Okay, now we will add a new text. So click on the type tool again, then add pricing for this package. We will increase this text size to 60 point and we will change this color to white. Okay, perfect. And this will be Roboto bold. Also, we will change this fraction value to superscript. So shows the character panel, then click on superscript. Okay, perfect. And we will duplicate this text layer again, press Alt and hold it to the down section, okay, and move this layer to this upper position and change this text color to white. Also change this text to month. Now we will add package contents. So duplicate this text layer again, press Ctrl J, then move it. So the text element to left align. Increase the font size to 24. We will duplicate this for 7 content. So select these two layers again, then press Ctrl J, then move it to the down section. Again we duplicate them. We need one more content. Okay, perfect. Now we will place icons for this content. So select the icons, then drag and drop it to the document. Select all of these icons by press Shift from the keyboard, then click on distribute vertically. Okay, we will move this last content to the down section and also select these 7 type layers. Press Shift from the keyboard, then click on the last layer, then select the distribute vertically. Okay, perfect. Now we will duplicate these 7 contents again. So select them, then press Ctrl J from the keyboard and move them to the right side. We will rename it for the content quantity. I just place a sample. Okay, select these new text layers again. And move them to the right side. and change the font to Roboto bold. Okay, perfect. Now we will lock this rectangle and select all of these layers, then move them to the right side for middle alignment. Okay, now we will create a order now button. So shows the rounded rectangle tool and change the radius size to 20 pixel and create a new rounded rectangle. And change the radius size to 30 pixel and create a new rectangle. We should change this rectangle color to this color. So select this layer and copy the layer style, then click on this new layer and right click on this layer, then click on paste layer style. Okay, perfect. Now we will add a new text layer for the order now. And we will change this text alignment to middle and the text color to white. And the font will be Roboto regular. Okay, perfect. Now we will unlock this background layer of the rectangle and select all of these contents, then press Ctrl Z from the keyboard to create a group from this layer. We will add a drop shadow, so double click on this group and click on drop shadow. The drop shadow opacity will be 27 and the color will be full black. The spread 1, distance 4, the size will be 76 pixel. The angle is 90 degree. Then click on OK. Now I will duplicate this group. So press Ctrl Z from the keyboard. Then change the auto select option to group and move them and move it to the right section. Press Ctrl T from the keyboard for increase the package size. Press Alt from the keyboard to increase it proportionally. Okay, perfect. We should change this rectangle color to this color. So change the auto select option to layer. Select this layer and copy the layer style and change it by pressing paste layer style. We will also change this shape color to white. So delete this gradient overlay and change the shape color to white. And now we'll change this text color to gradient color. and we will change this text layer color, and we will change this text color to white. Okay, also we should change this icon color to white, so select an icon, then double click on it, then click on color overlay and change it to white. Copy the color style and select all of these icons by press shift on the keyboard, then click on mouse right button, then paste layer style. Okay, now we will change the color of this button, so delete the gradient overlay from this rounded rectangle and change it to white color. And change the order now button color to gradient color. So copy the layer style again, then paste layer style. You will change it to standard. I am skipping it. I just change the color to white. Okay, perfect. Now we will duplicate this past package again. Press Ctrl J on the keyboard. Then change the auto select to globe. Then move it to the right side. We have just created our three packages. Now we will select these three packages again and move them to the middle position. Okay, perfect. We have just created our pricing table. Hope you guys enjoy this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe.